party leader, Comrade Peter David Phillips, the comrade of the moment, the comrade Valrie Neita-Robertson. We must recognize the four-star general, the man who in the late 80s built this constituency to become a people's national stronghold, Comrade Jiggs Ennis, well-known, well-respected, and a man, if there's any man who is worthy of being Mr. Portland, it would be Jiggs Ennis. I want to recognize my regional chairman, Comrade Guy, my colleague, member of parliament for East Portland. I want to recognize DGS Waite, former member of parliament, Silvera, the councillors and mayors present here today, the constituency organization that is being rebuilt at this time, and the comrades from all over Region 2, which comprise St. Thomas, Portland, and St. Mary. And I have to remember the sugar man. The sugar man, and Comrade Moore, who is also a former candidate. But comrades, the party leader is here. And I know we have come out to support the candidate slated for West Portland. But comrades, we are at a critical time in the life of our country. We are at a time when we must reflect on what kind of government and what kind of governance Jamaica deserves. And when we look at what has happened in the last 2 years, the people of Jamaica are saying we deserve better. And so I want to remind you, comrades, that we are presently on a one-term cycle of government. 2007, Labour win. 2011, PMP win, and win big. 2016, Labour win. Who for time now? If we go by the cycle, when 2021 come, who we expect to win? Okay. We expect the People's National Party to win. But we cannot win without candidates like Comrade Robertson. And this is why we have been working, the officers and the leader of our party. We have been introducing candidates across the country. But we are also bringing back to the fore professionals that we had lost over time. We see the doctors coming back. We see the lawyers coming back. We see the teachers coming back. We see the businessmen and women coming back. We see the farmers coming back to be part of the People's National Party. And this is why we have to do the necessary work. We have to ensure that the enumeration is done. We have to ensure that the walks are done. We have to ensure that we remember the old comrades as we build this new People's National Party. And therefore, comrades, as opposition spokesman on agriculture and rural development, I am aware of the plight of the coffee farmers in Portland. I know when we left government, you were getting over 12,000 per box for coffee. And now you are struggling to get 2,500 a box. And therefore, comrades, that is not even enough. That is not even enough to deal with the production costs of your coffee. That is not enough to deal with the diseases that the coffee leaf disease that you are facing, the cost of buying the medicine to deal with those diseases. And so, comrades, we have to continue to fight. A new People's National Party government will be looking seriously at these crops, the cocoa that have the frosty pod disease, the problems with coconut, the farm roads. We have to find money to deal with farm roads. And we have to build back and get back on track in terms of rural development. To ensure we have schools where schools must be,